Welcome back to my channel. I am the host, John Shaft, and this is my C7 Corvette channel. You're looking at on the screen the 2021 Corvette show in Carlisle, Pennsylvania. This is the annual Corvette show, and you're looking at the annual Corvette parade. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Nothing says ownership like a Chevy Corvette. We even have the C8s now leading the parade. So it's nice to have the new guy or the new kid on the block in the parade also. This is John Shaft, and this is my C7 Corvette channel. This is the annual Corvette parade coming through the town of Carlisle, Pennsylvania. This is a yearly event, the biggest Corvette show around the country. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. If you get the opportunity, you should definitely come out and come out to the show, the Corvette show in Carlisle, Pennsylvania. If you're able to attend it is a sight unseen, and that's definitely a day to remember. Now this is a very unique Corvette group here. I think it's called All Things Are Corvette. Nothing says ownership like a Chevy Corvette. You have a lot of cars, sports cars, on the same class, like the same class as the Chevy Corvette. But you never see the camaraderie and the family get-together that the Corvette brand brings. When you're buying a Corvette, you're not just buying a car. You're buying a brand, and you are entering into a family. Whether you have the C1 or the C8. Looks like I see Captain America over there on the right side there. And it's good to see some of the C8s in this parade. This is John Shaft, and this is my C7 Corvette channel, where all things are Corvette. Stop dreaming and start driving your new Corvette. Check out this C8 coming up, the convertible, and it's top down there, as you can see. I can't wait until the Z06 is out and you see the Z06 in these parades, as you see the base model C8. To be honest with you, I can't wait till all the models come out. Z06, the E-Ray, Zorro model, and the ZR1. The sky is the limit when it comes to the C8 Corvette. Man, this is a gorgeous sight. This is a magnificent sight. Nothing says ownership like a Chevy Corvette. You're viewing the Corvette show in Carlisle, Pennsylvania, and this is the annual Corvette parade coming through the town of Carlisle, Pennsylvania. This makes me want to go out and put me a exhaust system on my Corvette. I am to the proud owner of a C7 2016 stingray Corvette. For those of you that didn't get a chance to attend the Corvette show this year, there's always next year, around the same time, August. Make plans to come out and enjoy all the festivities concerning the Corvette. And if you have a Corvette or you own a Corvette, I really encourage you to drive it and put your Corvette in the parade also. Legend says ownership like the Chevy Corvette. Boy, listen to those sounds. Listen to that engine roar. You can have a Lamborghini, you can have a McLaren, a Porsche, Mustang, and you want to get this kind of camaraderie as the Corvette. There's ownership like the Chevy Corvette. I am the host, John Schaff, and this is my C7 Corvette John. It is a wonderful sight to see these new C8s in the Corvette parade. Again, next month, debut the Chevrolet Corvette Z06. Nothing says ownership like a Chevy Corvette. And you're watching the Chevrolet Corvette Parade in Carlisle, Pennsylvania, which takes place annually in the month of August. So if you have a chance or opportunity to come down, I would encourage you to do so next year. Come down and enjoy all the festivities. Nothing says ownership like Chevy Corvette. It doesn't get any better than this. See how these beautiful Corvettes all lined up in this parade like this. Doesn't get any better than this. You don't see this with the Mustangs or the Camaros or the Lamborghinis or the Porsche, the McLaren. You don't see this. Only with the Chevrolet Corvettes.